Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you watch my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to talk about Aurora stock, ticker symbol ACB. So Aurora is one of the most popular stocks in the stock market, and currently, at the time of filming this video, Aurora stock is currently down close to 16% right now. Aurora stock has been hit hard over this last year. March 2019, Aurora stock was trading close to $10 a share. And just over these last 3 months, Aurora stock is down about 50%. Now, I know I touched on this subject about 3 weeks ago about the performance of Aurora stock. So let's get to what's going on right now. Aurora, like many companies in this specific industry, are having a hard time with the retail market. Many people thought once MJ became recreational that stocks like Aurora will go to the moon, but that didn't exactly end up what happened. What's going on is that there's these retail companies are buying a lot from the black market, and not only that, this is a product that can grow from the ground, so people can also just produce their own. So that also has an effect. So what ends up going on is companies like Aurora, they just end up having a whole lot of product in general, and no one to really sell it to. So with retail stores buying MJ products on the black market, well, Aurora can't compete with that. Aurora is a company that has over $1 billion market cap. They have or had 2,700 plus full-time employees, and of course, rent and land ownership and property taxes and etc. Everything that goes along with running a actual legal business, which is very expensive. Aurora can't compete with that stuff, and what ends up happening is it really hurts what the expectations are the analysts put on the stock. Aurora can't hit those numbers when there's a whole lot of competition that they're competing with, and that's where we're at today. Aurora just announced that they laid off 500 full-time employees, which is about 18% of the workforce. And not only that, it was also just announced that their founder and CEO, Terry Booth, also exited the company. 500 jobs cut, CEO stepping down, yikes. And just 2 months ago, their chief commercial officer, Cam Batley, who was viewed as the face of the company, also stepped down. More analysts have downgraded Aurora stock after a lot of investors have lost trust in them. The way that they repeatedly promise one course of action and then they immediately choose another. And Aurora isn't the only company that is having problems in this space right now. The rivals are also feeling the pain. Tilray just announced that they're laying off 10% of their workforce. So this whole industry is going through a correction, and hopefully soon, some things get figured out, maybe some regulation in the black market, but we'll have to see. Only time can tell what's going to happen there. And this industry in general, I do like investing into it a little bit here and there. I made quite a bit of money over a year ago investing into this industry, but where it's at right now, I take it with a lot of caution. There's only 1 or 2 companies in this industry that I really like, and one of those I am invested into, and that is Cronos. Cronos, I believe, has a lot going for it, especially with their investments from Altria. I think Altria has the distribution market that can really help Cronos grow. It can take Cronos, well out of Canada and distribute it in other places. They have that network to do that, and that's why, as far as this whole space goes, Cronos is the one that I'm invested into. But I know a lot of people are invested into Aurora, and I'd like to see people get some gains out of that here in the future. Hopefully things do turn around. So anything with all that being said, I'd like to know what people think about all this. Please let me know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video coming very soon.